Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is James, the Cellphone King, coming to you from our shop here in Brazil at 722 West National Avenue. I wanted to go over a couple of options that we have for your prepaid cell phone. We are an authorized AT&T prepaid dealer. We also carry another company that's called Red Pocket. With Red Pocket, we can activate on AT&T, T-Mobile, Sprint, or Verizon. We do have SIM cards in stock for AT&T and Verizon with Red Pocket, and for AT&T going directly through them. There are several different plans to choose from depending on what you need. Just a comparison, we have these flyers available for you to come in and see. Plans with Red Pocket start as low as $10 per month for your prepaid plan, which will give you 500 minutes of talk time and 500 text messages, all the way up to $60 for an unlimited everything. That'll give you the first 8 gigabytes of internet at 4G LTE speeds, and then it does throttle it back after that to regular 2G speed. And that's $60 a month with unlimited talk and text. Over with AT&T, you have several different plans to choose from. You can get one for as low as $30 a month that includes 1 gigabyte of data, up to $55 a month that is unlimited data. There are discounts for adding more than one phone. So if you want a family of 4, for instance, you get discounts for each additional phone. They have a lot of add-on features, excellent coverage as usual. Currently, AT&T is running a promotion that you can get a gift card with activation. We also have some other options that I don't have brochures for right now. We cover a lot of the prepaid market, a lot of different carriers. So if there's a carrier that I didn't mention that you have, chances are real good that we can probably do it. Or if you're interested in one of these carriers, give us a call, 812-510-4310, or stop by our shop here in Brazil, beautiful downtown Brazil, 722 West National Avenue, just up the road from Casey's. Thank you. Have a great day.